there's a grab bar in the front. I would tend to grab the grab bar and hang on to it for quite a while because I, could feel everything moving us every time a semi would pass us. It felt like it was going to blow us off the road.
Wow. The voice of the customer. I'm here today at the Jayco Entegra Super C rally down in Crystal Beach, Texas with Bill and Chantel, and they've got a Kodiak Super C. Now, what year is your coach?
It's a 2010.
2010. Okay, so most of the coaches we have here are on the Freightliner M2 and S2 RV Super C chassis, so they're a little more unique, but the Kodiak was a good chassis. It did need a little bit of help though, right?
It needed a lot of help.
So what was it like when you first got it stock?
When we first got it, when we were driving home, we were fighting the wind so ridiculously. It was just pushing us from side to side on the road. As soon as I got to a place where we could reevaluate what was underneath it and really get a look at the stock suspension, we realized that the shocks hadn't even been changed. It was still the original shocks. So in searching for something to stabilize more of the chassis, Henderson was the first thing I came across. And rather than to pick different pieces and parts, I went with everything that I could grab at the time. So we got the entire chassis kit. We got everything that we could to really stabilize it. And then once we had that put on, I haven't had a lick of problems at all. It's really handled the road well.
That's great. Yeah, you got the full meal deal. So you got the, let's see, the rear sway bar, which that took a little bit of welding on this,
Correct.
Right?
Yep.
Yeah, on these Kodiaks, in order to mount the plates on that rear sway bar where it attaches to the frame, you either got to, if they're riveted, chisel out the rivets on the spring hangers, or do like you did and just have them welded to the frame.
Welded to the frame.
Makes a lot of sense. Front sway bar too, right? At the bigger front sway
bar.
bar.
Yep.
Safety plus, steering control. Yep. Our SuperSteer rear track bar.
Yep.
And the Koni FSD shocks.
Yep.
Is there anything I missed there?
Nope.
I think that covers it. Okay.
That was a kit.
Okay. So what did you notice specifically before and after?
The biggest thing we noticed is it wasn't pulling hard. When a vehicle would pass us, even a passenger car, we would sway just going down the road.
Yeah.
Once we had everything put on, we noticed that even sitting at a stoplight, we wouldn't get the sway. So it really stiffened up everything on the coach. But it didn't take away from any of the performance. It really added to the things that we could carry in the coach because it was more stable. And it really did give us just that peace of mind, being able to navigate down the road.
When we started off our first couple of trips, there's a grab bar in the front. I would tend to grab the grab bar and hang on to it for quite a while because I, could feel everything moving us every time a semi would pass us. It felt like it was going to blow us off the road.
Wow.
And then from that point to once we put all this on, my anxiety levels dropped significantly, and I could feel a huge difference on my end just in the fact that we felt more stable, more under control, that we could track correctly down the road and not feel like we're going to be pushed off into a rut or whatever. So it was much, much different.
Great. Well, thanks, guys. Really appreciate it, Bill. Appreciate your business and your time. Thanks, Chantel. Chantel, really appreciate it. So thanks, guys. Safe travels.
Appreciate
Thanks, Tommy.
Thank you. All right. So till next time, till we see you at the next rally, want to wish you safer and happier driving.
Made in the USA, oh, can't you see? It's about the open road, living wild and free. With SuperSteer parts, we're all be tough. American built, yeah, that's enough. From Oregon hills to the sunset's glow. Support the country you love. Let